Hi everyone. Today's our topic is from ninth class textbook. Let us see the topic first. Using past simple and past perfect together. First, simple past tense. See the example. I solved the sum. I solved the sum. So here I is subject, solved simple past, that is V2. The sum is object. So this is the structure for simple past tense. Subject plus V2 plus object. Now let us see the structure for past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3. For example, she had written an essay. She had written an essay. This is the example for past perfect tense. Let's use these two tenses in a sentence. For example, she had cleaned the room when I got home yesterday. If you observe, here there are two actions. One is cleaning the room and the second one is getting home. So, will you say which action is done first? Yes, cleaning the room has done first. After that, he get home. So, we wrote this sentence as she had cleaned the room when I got home yesterday. If you observe, the first done action is in past perfect tense, that is had cleaned. So second action in simple past, that is got. So we can observe that when we refer to two past actions, the first completed action should be present in past perfect and the second completed action in past simple. See this example. I noticed that he had left his books behind. So I noticed is past action, that is a V2 simple past. Had left is past perfect. So here left books behind is the first action. So we represented it in past perfect tense. So noticing is the next action. So it is in simple past. So I noticed that he had left his books behind. Let's look in our book from the page 10 and 11. Grammar. Read the following sentences from the story. We found we had little to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things. In the above two sentences, the first one is in the simple past, that is found, had. And the second is in the past perfect tense, that is had removed. As you can see, the action which occurred earlier is expressed in the past perfect tense, whereas the action which occurred later is expressed in the simple past tense. Here are a few more examples. 1. Sujata had arrived at the station before the train came. So here, Sujata's arrival to the station is the earlier action. So the train arrival is the later action. So the earlier action is in past perfect tense. The later action is in simple past. So we should be cautious while identifying the time of the action. The second one is the doctor arrived after the patient had died. Third one, I bought the ticket as soon as I boarded the bus. So here, when two actions occur nearly simultaneously in the past, both are expressed in the simple past tense. So I bought the ticket, it is in simple past. I boarded the bus, it is also in simple past tense. These two actions occurred nearly simultaneously. So we wrote these two actions in simple past tense. Okay, next one. Now combine the following pairs of sentences using the past perfect and the simple past. Use after, before or when as linkers. The first one has been done for you. First one, I brushed my teeth. I took my breakfast. After I had brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. Or we can write the sentence as I had brushed my teeth before I took my breakfast. Next exercise. She started to go to market. It rained heavily. If we feel these two actions occur simultaneously, we can write the sentence using as soon as. For example, she started to go to market as soon as it rained heavily. And the next one, he completed his homework. He went to bed. So what is the first action here? Completed homework. That is the first action. So we have to write it in past perfect tense. Let us see it. After he had completed his homework, he went to bed. The fourth one, I finished my dinner. My father came. So here the earlier action is finishing the dinner. So later action, father's arrival. So the first action in past perfect and the second action in simple past. For example, let's start this sentence with the linker before. So before my father came, I had finished my dinner. Next, fifth one. First sentence, I fell seriously ill. Second sentence, I met my family doctor. After he fell seriously ill, he met his doctor. So the first action is falling ill. So it is in past perfect. Like, after I had fallen seriously ill, I met my family doctor. So the last one, I locked the door. I went out to meet my friend at a restaurant. Let's join these two sentences using the linker when. So the answer is, when I went out to meet my friend at a restaurant, I had locked the door. I had locked the door because this is the earlier action. He locked the door and he went out. Now this is the test time. So the URL testmost.com/5228040. Your passcode 20102010. Attempt this test. Here you will get 50 questions about using simple past and past perfect together. Hope you will come up with your new sentences. Thank you.